welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I'm gonna give you guys a little makeup tutorial on this look. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but basically whatever you see in this title, that's what it's called. But yeah, I was inspired by a few fall colors and I wanted to give you guys like a simple look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to know how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and of course give this video a like if you like this video and you want to see more videos like these. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, so we're doing something a little different. This tutorial is going to focus mostly on the eyes. So as you see me, I am using my Kylie Cosmetics, the Burgundy palette, and I'm just going to go ahead with that color Beach, and I'm just going to put that on my lid just as a transition color. So now I'm going to go in with the color Penny and put that right under that first color. So the first color, I used it more in my crease, and this one's, I'm going to tap it first and then, you know, swipe it right under that color. And I'm just going to do this until it's vibrant enough and to my liking. So now I'm going to go in with the color Almond, and I'm gonna focus that mostly on my lid, and I'm gonna pack this on as much as I can, guys, because I want this color to be the main point of focus. So I'm gonna pack that on my lid. And if you haven't noticed, this is mostly a matte tutorial. I wanted this to be like kind of neutral colors. So yeah, I think you can wear this every day if you wanted to. Then I'm gonna go back with those first two shades and kind of just add some more because they kind of got lost. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure everything is well blended, and just keep doing this until I'm good. Now moving on to my holy grail, the Carli Bybel palette with BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna use that shade to kind of do an inner corner highlight, and off camera I'm gonna pop on some lashes from BD Lashes. BeautybyBD lashes. You should check them out because I really love them lashes, and these are the ones in Quartz. And yeah, I like their lashes, like, and they're vegan, so you should check them out. But anyways, now you see me lining my lips. I'm just using my contour shade from the Anastasia contour cream kit, and this is in the shade Espresso, I believe. And I'm just lining my lips because I didn't want like the orange to be, I don't know, I wanted kind of like an ombre effect. So I'm just over here lining the lips. Then I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick. It's a matte liquid lipstick from BeautybyBD, and guys, you should check her out. It's like, I really love this shade. Like, it came out so good. But this is in the shade L6. I'll have all the information down below. And yeah, I'm just putting that and just blending until I'm happy, because, you know, I was just trying to feel it out. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this tutorial was very helpful and easy for you guys to follow. So yeah, I was inspired by like a few fall looks, and this lipstick, which I actually really love the color. Like, it's perfect for fall, like just perfect for fall. But yeah, definitely if you want to get your hands on this lipstick, make sure you check out BeautybyBD, because yeah, she's a really great person, a really great girl, and she's a small black owned business. So yeah, support your black owned business. But anyways, definitely check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys will enjoy our next videos. But definitely hit the subscribe button down below, because if you're not subscribed, what are you doing, sis? You're definitely missing out. But yeah, hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any new videos from us. and definitely give this video a like if you like videos like these and you want to see more. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.